Welcome to English and English.
Hello, friends. I'm really happy you're here today. I have something exciting to share. You won't believe it. I'm taking my very first airplane trip by myself tomorrow. I've been on planes before with my parents, but this time I'm flying alone. No one telling me what to do. No one bossing me around. It feels exciting, but also a little scary. I have butterflies in my stomach. I'm going to visit my cousin in New York for 2 weeks, and I've been waiting for this day for so long. Right now, I'm sitting at my study desk. My suitcase is packed. My ticket is ready. I tried to sleep, but I keep thinking about my trip. What will the airport be like? Will I remember all the steps? Early in the morning, I go outside and a taxi pulls up in front of my house.
Good morning. Going to the airport?
Yes, thank you. I get in, buckle my seatbelt, and look out the window as the city passes by. I feel excited, but I keep checking my phone to make sure I know my departure terminal number. Terminal B, departures. When we arrive, the driver asks, "Which terminal?" "Terminal B, please." The taxi stops in front of a big sign that says Terminal B. I grab my suitcase and walk toward the entrance, ready to check in. First, I find the check-in counter for my airline. A friendly staff member smiles at me.
Hello, are you checking in?
Yes, I'm flying to New York. I hand over my passport and ticket. They print my boarding pass and put a tag on my suitcase. I push my suitcase onto the moving belt. It disappears behind a curtain. I think, wow, that's it. My bag is really going on the plane. Next, I follow the signs to security check. There's a long line of people taking off shoes, jackets, and emptying their pockets. I do the same, but I forget to remove my keys. When I walk through the gate, it starts beeping, and I get scared for a moment. A security officer smiles and says, "It's okay. Please take out your keys." I put my keys in the tray with my backpack and try again. This time, I walk through the gate and no beep, thankfully. The officer hands me my bag.
You're all set. Have a good flight.
I take a deep breath. Step 3, done. Inside the departures hall, everything looks huge. Lots of gates, numbers, and signs. I check my boarding pass, date B15. I follow the signs, walk past shops, and finally find gate B15. I sit down and wait for boarding to start. I feel so excited. The announcement comes. Passengers for flight 729 to New York, please board now. My heart jumps. That's me. I grab my boarding pass and walk down the jet bridge. The plane looks huge up close. I step inside and feel the gentle hum of engines. I find my seat by the window and put my backpack in the overhead bin. I buckle my seatbelt, feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness. The flight attendants smile and explain the safety instructions. I listen carefully. They show how to use the seatbelt, oxygen mask, and life jacket. Once the plane starts moving down the runway, my stomach tingles. The engines roar a little louder. I look out the window as the ground gets smaller and smaller. When the plane finally takes off, I feel a rush of joy and relief. Soon, the flight attendants bring snacks and drinks. I get a small sandwich and a juice. It feels nice to eat something while watching the clouds outside. I sip my juice, feeling proud. I'm really flying alone. I smile and think about my cousin in New York and the adventure ahead. After a smooth flight, we land. I follow the crowd to the baggage claim area. Bags slide out on the conveyor belt. I wait and wait, but my bag does not come. My stomach tightens. I remember what my mom told me. If something goes wrong, stay calm. So I take a deep breath and follow these steps. Step 1, look around again. I check the area carefully. Step 2, check another belt. Sometimes bags come out somewhere else, but mine doesn't. Step 3, go to the lost luggage desk. I walk to a small desk with a sign that says lost baggage. Hi, I can't find my suitcase. It didn't come out.
Let me check. Can I see your baggage tag?
I hand them the small sticker from check-in. They type something on their computer.
Good news! Your luggage was put on a later flight by mistake. It will arrive in about 2 hours. We can deliver it to your cousin's address.
I feel so relieved. They give me a simple form. I write my name, phone number, and where I'm staying. Then they smile and tell me everything is okay. I walk out of the airport with no bag, but a big smile. At first, I feel a little worried. My suitcase didn't arrive, but then I remember something important. It's a good thing I kept extra clothes in my backpack. I still have what I need for the first day. I take a deep breath and think about everything I just did. I did it. I flew by myself. I handled a problem on my own, and now I'm ready to enjoy my trip. The city looks exciting outside the airport. I feel proud, confident, and ready for my adventure in New York.